I don't know how I'm gonna get all my homework done.
Tutorials at McAuliffe Middle School seek to connect students to school through opportunities for academic and personal growth.
There are three main purposes for McAuliffe Tutorial. Number one, get extra help from your teacher. Number two, attend a study hall. And number three, learn a new skill or have an enrichment opportunity. If you need extra help, a teacher will stamp your Minder Binder requiring you to attend their tutorial during A or B. If you're not stamped, you may attend any green open tutorial. Once you see the green sign, head on in and go inside with your Minder Binder. This might be a chance for a new skill or a quiet study hall. Upon entering the classroom, please make sure that you open up your Minder Binder to today's date and place it on your desk so that the teacher may stamp you for attendance. When the teacher comes around, they'll be stamping you under the after school section of your Minder Binder with their room number. This is how we will take attendance. If you come up to a classroom and you see a red closed tutorial sign, that means that class is full for the day. Please go to the next classroom of your choice to find an open spot. Teacher stamps are one way to tell you which tutorial to go to. But if you get more than one, go to the tutorial where you think you need the most help.
What if I have to make something in PE?
If you have to make up something in PE, tutorial is a perfect time to do that makeup run or get those extra points. You might also use the time to learn a new skill, like keyboarding, or get your homework done. You also might take advantage of a study hall to ask a teacher a question.
Maybe you need time to finish your art project.
Or you might need time for extra rehearsal.
Tutorial happens every Wednesday at the end of all 7 periods. Once you've attended every class for 25 minutes and had your lunch, you'll be given the option for when to attend tutorial A and B. We will use a priority schedule to help determine where the priority goes week by week. For example, if you're stamped by a science teacher and a math teacher and you're not sure which one to go to, you'll go to whichever teacher has priority that week. Thanks for listening. What we hope happens throughout the tutorial experience is that each student gets an opportunity to make some decisions about where they need the most support, what new skills they might want to learn, or how they can best use their time to be a better student, a better member of your family, and a better part of our community. Please make sure to take full advantage of the resources that are available to you. The week of October 19th and October 26th are training weeks, and starting November 2nd, you'll have some open choice to which tutorial you attend. And there you have it. Tutorial starts today and will go for the next several weeks. Hope that you enjoyed tutorial and make the most out of it.